Hi everyone, we are back with the weekly giveaway game, the fun game to see who got what right. So earlier on I asked 2 questions to Sue and to Joanne, and the questions were, if I can find my bits of paper, to Joanne, which of these is my greatest fear, spiders or heights? And to Sue it was, am I a Capricorn or am I a Piscean? Now, Joanne got her question wrong yesterday, so she only had 1 lifeline left. So she had to get this right to sort of be able to keep on playing and adding things to the pile. Joanne, you got it wrong. My greatest fear is heights. I am so afraid of heights. So that means nothing else is added because you didn't get it right. So Joanne, you are on hold now, and it is all down to the lovely Sue. So Sue's question was, am I a Capricorn or a Piscean? Well, my birthday is January the 9th, which makes me a Capricorn. So guess what, Sue? You got it right. Yes. Now, I have made something really special for the both of you. I made these. Now, I bought this lovely leaf edging, and I packed it up. It came in, oh, hang on, I have to show you this. What you doing? What's that with the legs and being very rude to everybody at home? What are you doing? You're such a div. Just look, just be comfortable. Why don't you? He is just so funny. And yeah, he does not sit on the naughty step. He just looks at me as if to say, really, Mum? You think I'm going to do that? No, he won't. So I bought this lovely twine, and I've made them into some lovely packs with my bag topper and some flowers and bits and pieces that I got. So I'm going to add 1 to each prize. So actually that will be the same in that one. Right, okay. So that means, Sue, you still have your lifeline intact as well. Oh my gosh. So that means we could get more goodies added to these packs, Charles Tail. So, what question? Where's my question gone? Right. Okay, I just want to let you know as well, some of you have managed to get your questions in who are playing along at home. Now, anyone who puts the questions in before I upload the next video, they will count. So if you put your answers on for the questions after I've uploaded, they won't count because obviously the answers are in the video, right, if you know what I mean. So It's My Playhouse now has 2 points. Christine's Cards and Things, unfortunately, she only has 0. Mrs. Stationery and Stuff now has 3. Seri has 1. Thurid has none. Tracy Dale, none. Christine Mortimer has 2. Debbie L has 3. Jackie McFall, 1. Pinky Noble, 1. This and That with Michelle, 2. So again, we have 2 of you that have 3 points. Now, I did say if we have an outright winner at the end of all the questions, I will add another prize in for them. So at the moment, we've got 2 head-to-head, and I need an outright winner. So keep on going, and if you have missed some of the other questions, don't worry, because Sue might keep getting lots and lots and lots right, which means you get more and more chances. So keep going, keep going. Right, okay, so Sue, oh my gosh, today's question... Yes, Charles. Today's question is, to Sue, do I like Brussels sprouts? Now, as we all know, you either love them or you hate them. So do I love Brussels sprouts or do I hate them? So yes or no, do I like Brussels sprouts? Simple as that. That is for you. And as soon as you get back to me, I will be back to let you know. And the piles are growing. Sorry, Joanne, you didn't do very good. But never mind. Sue might keep going for 30 questions. She's doing very well. Isn't she, Charles? Do you need to go to sleep now? Are you needing to sleep? Oh, you're such a sweet boy, aren't you? You're very naughty. Look at the mess of my desk. Now, look. He knocks my glue over. He makes a mess. I think he's very tired, aren't you? I woke him up, actually, because he heard me talking. Charles, you're just too funny. You love me so much, don't you? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Listen to this, everyone. Do you want a treat? Would you like a treat? Do you want a treat? Oh, he's not saying anything. Normally, when I ask him if he wants a treat, he's like, meow, meow. Do you want a treat? Should we go get you a treat now? Because you've been a good boy. Should we go get a treat? Okay. All right, I'll go and give Mr. a treat. He doesn't want to talk. I don't know why. Why do you not want to talk? Do you want a treat? He knows I'm filming, I'm sure of it. No, you don't. He's not playing game. He's not talking. Right. Okay, Sue, I look forward to your reply. And everyone else, keep going. You never know what might happen. So I will see you all very soon. Take care for now from me and from the naughty, gorgeous, jolly Asbo. I'll see you all very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.